y'all. Let's go. Did you get a good one?
Decent.
Oh, you got to go, son. Good, homie. Run to him, son. Run to him. Go put your hands on that hole. Matter of fact, give me my phone. I'm going to let y'all do that shit. Put your hands on the hole. That's all you got to do. You got him. Go.
All right, boys. Getting closer. Come on, puppies. Come on.
Go ahead in front of me. Go ahead.
Yeah, he got him. Come on. He's kind of little, bro, but he's good. Right in front of me. Get him, right?
All right, King. He's talking.
He ain't that big.
Shit.
We getting him done.
Watch out. Let me bring him out.
Good dog.
Yes, sir. They saved that bitch, man.
Where my pups at?
Yes, sir. Come on, bring him on. Put him on them hard legs. Come on, big belly. Come on, keep your foot on it, dog.
I'm gonna hold one leg. You put him on, brother.
Yeah, help him out.
Good boy, Frosty. Attaboy.
How do you go, bro? Like that?
Yeah. Just move him there. Go behind that little hump, though.
Look at his nerves. Oh, cow. Crazy. Never seen a bass do that before. My boy tweaking. Pliers, mate.